MI-8030. Electric standing desk base with dual motor. Installation. Attach the left crossbar and the right crossbar to the lifting column as shown. Secure the crossbar using the provided screws and hex wrench. Repeat the same process to attach the other two crossbars on the other side. Attach each side bracket to the lifting column. Attach the anti-vibration pads as shown. Repeat the same process to attach the other side bracket. Attach the foot to the lifting column using the provided screws. Repeat the same process to attach the other foot. Carefully place the desktop upside down on the floor. Insert the AC adapter to the adapter holder, then hang the holder on the crossbar. Attach anti-vibration pads to the crossbars. Place the legs on each side of the tabletop. Attach the crossbar rails as shown and secure the frame using the provided screws. Attach the assembled desk frame to the desktop through the mounting holes found on the side brackets and crossbars as shown. Connect the controller to the AC adapter, then connect the controller to the two lifting columns. Use the power cable for the lifting column on the far side and insert the power plug into the AC adapter. Attach the controller to the desktop using the provided screws. Attach the cable clips to the desktop and then run the cables through the cable clips. Turn over the desk with the help of another person. There are two adjustable foot pads under each foot. If the floor isn't even, simply turn the pad to adjust the level to make the desk stable. Before using the desk for the first time, you will need to reset the system. To reset the system, press and hold the up and down buttons simultaneously. The unit will emit one beep and the display shows RSR, and the desk will start moving downward to the lowest position. Do not release the buttons until the unit emits one beep again. The desk will move upwards a little and the display will show the current desk height. The reset process is now complete.